Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I am finally back with another video, and this video is a bleaching and tinting lace like how-to video. But yeah, anyway, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy this video, hit that thumbs up button as well. Okay, so as you can see, I poured some of my BW2 bleaching powder, and now I'm just adding the 40 volume developer. I decided to use 40. It's not too high, not too low, but just right, and it bleached perfectly actually. So I kept adding the volume developer into the powder just until it got thick enough. Like I was really going for that thick consistency. In my past videos, I noticed that every time I was mixing this up, I kept making it just a little bit too liquidy, so it kept running through the lace and bleaching more than what I needed it to bleach, which just gave me so much extra work. So yeah, make it thick. So here is the lace closure. By the way, this hair is from Addie Grace. I'll show you guys. I'll write down all the info to the hair in the description box. Okay, so here is the hair. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but yeah, I guess I'm showing off the hair. So here, I'm just gonna use this brush that I got from the beauty supply store. Everything here you can find at the beauty supply store, by the way. Literally everything, but I'll tag them, not tag them, I'll link everything in the description box along with the Amazon link as well if you're like more of an online person. But anyway, here I'm just literally tapping so lightly on the lace, just trying to make that bleach just stick without running through the lace. And as you guys can see, I actually made the paste really thick. So this is what you should want for your lace. This is the best way to bleach it. So I just added that aluminum foil right on top. This helps it bleach faster and much better. So the heat just literally just it. So I just put in 25 minutes to bleach, and it bleached perfectly in 25 minutes. I'm guessing it bleached way before 25 minutes, but by the time I checked, it was bleached perfectly. Okay, so here I just removed it, and I'm gonna wash this off with the Shimmer Lights shampoo. I actually didn't show me washing the lace out with the Shimmer Light shampoo, but the Shimmer Light shampoo actually gets rid of a lot of the tannish orange that happens during the bleaching phase. But yeah, it just tones that out. But like I said, I didn't show that part anyway. So yeah. Okay, so you guys can see after I washed it out with the Shimmer Light shampoo, how perfectly this bleached, you guys. And right now I haven't even tinted the lace or done anything, literally. But here I'm just gonna use this Ritz dark brown. I don't know what it's for, but my sister put me onto this, and I've been using it ever since. And this is like, I don't know, a tinter. I don't know what it does, you guys, but that's what I use it for. Just put a little bit in a cup of hot boiling water. That water was really hot, and you literally just need to put a little bit. I keep saying literally, but it's the only word coming to my mind right now. But yeah, so I just put that in, and then I just dip the lace inside that water with the color. Even when you put your finger in it, it will tint your finger. Like, that's how serious this is. But it does work, so yeah, I just leave it in there. Every few seconds I keep checking up on it and putting it on my hand just to make sure like it's not getting too darker than my skin tone. But yeah, so it's actually very easy, you guys. I'm trying to make this video like as descriptive and helpful as possible because it is a how-to video, but I feel like this is the simplest thing you can do, like, and it works so well. Like I said, I will link everything down in the description box so you guys really don't have to do much to find it. So as you can see, the lace has already turned like tinted brown. You can see that right there. And it's so amazing how fast this tints, you guys. Like, do you see how fast that disappeared on my hand? Like, I had to zoom in for you guys. Like, it works so well. I did end up putting it back inside the water just for it to get a little bit more tinted, but right now it was actually pretty good. So here I just put the lace back inside the water. I believe I left it in there for like 2 more minutes, and I just kept messing around with it, as you can see in the video. But yeah, I didn't do much after this, and that's it. You guys can see how well that tinted and bleached. Once you bleach it and the knots completely disappear, which by the way, this hair bleached so well. I was so shocked. Like, yeah, I was so shocked. And that lace, boy, tinted perfectly. Like, I can't wait till I make this into a wig. I'm gonna come back once the wig is made and everything. But here I'm just showing you guys all the products I used in this video. It wasn't much and it was so easy. But yeah, there's the Rit Tinter, the Shimmer Lights Purple Shampoo, the 40 Volume Developer, the BW2 powder, and that brush that I got from the beauty supply store. That's the hair coloring brush. And I used 2 bowls. That first bowl was for what I use for my tinting, and the second bowl is what I used for the bleaching process and mixing up my bleach and stuff. And that's pretty much it, you guys. This is how easy this was. Like, so easy, and it came out so well. Make sure you tune back in for when I post my first review on this hair once it's turned into a wig. I might, most likely, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do when I get on camera. I might curl it or straighten the hair. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss a thing from me. And that's it. Bye, guys.
Yeah, no, I just had a little bit too much of Hennessy. Just gonna tell you how I feel.